like going down from the bridge. It was so cool. And I feel like, yeah, it was in here. It was like seven. It was like and they had the League of Nations. They had like it was like streamers that were like really up and down from the
I like spotlights. Can you see the spotlights? How much did you pay me? It's way last time.
Ele tá muito bem.
How much money?
É que aqui esse cara tá na minha frente. Tá do lado de mim. E aí fica.
Yeah. Got it. $5. Excuse me.
Yeah?
Maybe
I'll be right.
$5. Blaster.
For a party in the US.